should we start then?
Yeah.
So, given a 90% confidence interval,
Is it the first one?
Yeah.
what was that?
90% confident that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105. Yes.
Okay. I think this might be the same one as the last one. This question, I think, is from the review. It's yes, right? And then it was
I think it's the second yes on my screen.
not the central limit one, but the other one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, which one did we decide? Because my thing shut off.
Oh, you're good. It's yes, but it's not the central limit one. It's the other one.
Okay. Okay.
Which one is appropriate for this experiment?
Isn't it sigma unknown?
I thought it
No,
was confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples.
I think you're right. I think that's what I put last time. I was interested in estimating. It's 90 bank customers, right?
Obtain the balance of 90 bank customers
think
rather than
so.
30.
Yeah, because the more people you get, the closer to like the true average you're gonna get.
Yeah.
So it's gonna get smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
Good at that. I think this one's the 99 or 998.040. So the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, and then to assess the accuracy of laboratory scale standard weight. Oh, this is one of the ones I didn't do.
I think it's C, the
38,000.
38,416.
Yeah.
So some of these are the same.
Yeah.
That was one of the ones I didn't do because I couldn't remember how to do it. So I need to look that up.
I think you just use the sample size formula, if that helps anything.
Okay. I'm gonna write that down.
Would it be the first one?
I think it is the first one, yeah.
It's less than 1250?
Yeah.
It was either that one or the third one. I'm pretty sure it's the first one.
No, yeah, because it's smaller than 1250,
Yeah.
so it'd be less than.
Yeah.
I spent a ridiculous amount of time looking for this one too.
I
Is
think
it
the p-value is less
less?
than.
Yeah,
That's what I
that's
thought
what I
too.
was thinking.
I couldn't find those exact words statistically
Oh,
significant
yeah.
anywhere, so I was like,
Uh,
unsure. All right. But yeah, we did this one too.
Oh, yep. I think it's a yes, it is enough that the data are bell-shaped with no outliers.
I think so too, because
yeah, that
the
makes
NOVA
sense.
one, you just can't use it if there's like one that's like 4 times greater or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, we did this one too.
Yeah, this looks really familiar.
Type 1 error, right?
Yep, committed a type 1 error.
Yeah.
I didn't even finish reading it, so I should probably finish.
Well, that's what I was doing. I'm like, maybe I should just keep reading, but I think it's the same, so.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Okay. If the it's the last one, right?
By reducing the probability of committing a type 1
Yeah,
error.
I think so.
Yeah, because the more you reduce type 1, the bigger chances of type 2 are, and vice versa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we did this one too. Is it fail to reject?
I think it's just to reject the H. So.
Is it?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you say just reject. It doesn't have to be like fail to reject or. Well, I
Well,
guess.
fail to reject and reject are different, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just reject.
Okay.
Wait, are we? Wait, is it the null or the
Yeah, it's the null.
alternative?
No,
Okay.
you want to reject the null.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's independent samples, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Then this one is dependent, right?
I didn't know for sure on this one.
I think it's dependent. I was looking at it. It says for the dependent one, when I read it says is knowing which subjects will be in group 1 determines which subjects will be in group 2. So we know who's going to be in group 2 because it's got to be the sisters
Yeah.
Okay.
of
I
those
think it's
brothers.
the last one.
Yeah.
You select a brother so as to compare exactly the achievement to his sister. You must.
Okay.
Sister. Yeah.
So that's kind of a tricky thing because I always think like the numbers aren't dependent on each other, but it's actually just the subjects. I think I already did this one.
Would it just be when the standard
Confidence.
deviation is unknown? Or I wasn't sure on this one.
Yeah, it's the unknown one.
Sigma unknown.
Sigma unknown. What's the volume 95% confidence interval for these data? Is it the 11.168?
I'm still opening SPSS. I'm not sure.
Yeah, same.
I was really hoping I could get through it without having to open it, but
Yeah.
might as well just open it.
Sorry, I'm almost there.
I'm just barely getting it open.
Do you just go to the one sample t-test for this to find the
I'm
confidence
pretty sure
interval?
that's what I clicked on, yeah.
I just couldn't remember. Okay. Did you get 11.168
Yeah.
for lower? Okay. Sweet.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Okay.
We have to use this Hummers LA and New York data.
Yeah.
Almost got this. I think for the first part at least, it's the confidence interval for the difference of means using independent sampling.
It's under you. Oh, there. Used numbers.
I think that's right.
Let's see. Confidence interval.
What did you say it was, Jacob?
The last one.
I think so too, because the prices are completely.
Let's see. Let's see. I got negative 423.
You do the independent samples test?
Yeah.
What did you put for the group variable?
I had to do the automatic recode again, where you
Oh, okay.
do the groups 1 and 2, and you just do it by city. What did you get for the lower?
Negative 423.
Yeah, that's what I got. And the upper is like 5417.
Yeah.
Did you figure out how to do it, maybe?
I'm almost there.
Okay.
Exercise bone density
Okay,
data.
I got it.
See, I think for this next one we have to use, I think it's the ANOVA.
Yeah, I agree.
Test statistic. Let's see. And the p-value.
Do you have to do a regrouping on this one, too? I think you do.
I think so.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you do.
I got 7.978.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
The p-value, I almost got it.
You got 7.978?
Yeah.
Mhm. And p-value is
What's that? 0.002.
0.002. Yep.
Yeah. Which of the following best expresses the conclusion of this test?
We'd reject the null, right?
It's less than the significant, so
Because if the p-value is greater than the significant value, you fail to reject it. So in
okay.
this case, smaller, so we would be rejecting the null. But what was the null? Like determine if the mean levels of bone density are different between the three groups of lorets listed above. So I'm assuming the null would be that they would be equal. Oh yeah, because remember the ANOVA, it's always that the the null is always that they're equal.
Really?
I can look really quick. I have the notes open, but I'm almost positive that that's what
I
it
think
said.
I think
Yeah.
it's the second one. There's
I was
sufficient
thinking it was
evidence.
a second.
I haven't even read the options yet. I was just thinking out loud.
Mike, I know whatever you're saying, I don't really see. So
Well, it says I'm just saying in the notes.
Yeah.
It says for all the ANOVA ones, the null is always all the means are equal, and the alternative is always that at least one of the means is different.
yeah, no, you're good.
So it's the second one.
So, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the second.
There's sufficient evidence. All right.
So many files to open.
I know.
Yeah, I hope the test isn't this bad.
Oh, I'm sure it will be.
Probably. Or
I
worse.
know it will be.
At least we're moving along fairly quickly.
Yeah, it's true.
Why is this doing this? My SPSS is like frozen now.
Mine's actually not being too bad today. That's good.
Mine was doing great till I think it's if I'm off of it for too long, it like closes or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to quit it and reopen it.
I think this one would be a dependent sample test.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I think so too.
And the test statistic is...
By the time I get this open, you guys will probably be done, so I'm just gonna wait because I know how to do it.
Yeah, I've almost got it. Let's see.
I got 1.685.
Yeah.
Sweet.
The p-value...
Or
Is it?
0.096.
Yep.
Which of the following best expresses the conclusion of this test?
oh, that's really close to the level of,
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
but it has to be greater than, right? In order to reject it, because even if it's equal to it, I
To
think
fail
it's
to
still,
reject, right?
I think there's still that there is sufficient evidence.
So, do you think it's the second one to conclude that there is
Yeah.
a difference? Okay.
that there is a difference.
Yeah.
There is a difference in the cost of tickets purchased 14 days in advance compared to 90 days.
Yeah.
Right, is that all of them?
Yep.
Let's see.
I think so.
Uh,
Nice.
Ah. Whoa.
Did you miss something?
I selected that I attended my group meeting as true. Oh, wait. Oh, it says I didn't select it. No.
It didn't warn you?
See, that's what. Remember, I did that last time. I forgot
Didn't I?
to click on one that we all did together.
You know what? Obviously, I got it. Obviously, I did. So I'll just email her.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It says I got
Did
a
you guys miss number
92%.
I missed
Wow.
number 2.
Oh, no, I got all the questions right.
Ah. Oh well.
Dang.
I'll have to email her. All right, well.
Well, Good
still
luck
got
on the
them.
test, guys.
Yeah, good luck. So,
All right,
and
cool.
we'll see you on Tuesday.
Okay.
There's
bye.
a
Later.
chance I might have to reschedule because I have jury duty, but I'm not sure when they're going to
Okay.
let me out. So I'll let you
Okay.
guys
Sounds
know.
good.
Yeah, keep us updated. Let us know. So,
All right, bye.
Okay.
all right.
See
See
ya.
ya.